Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rukaya, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an envelope.
And my name is Open Mano.
And I'm going to teach you how to make an envelope.
And then I don't.
School wall. I need to teach them. First thing, you're going to have a straight paper. And you're going to fold it into two sides like this. As you can see, I folded it two sides. And I'm going to do the same. Then I'm going to do like this.
So many teeth. Can I see it from here? Mom.
So here, and I'm just going to do like this. I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to do like this, as you can see. Now I'm just going to do like this. Like this. So here, now I just do it like this. And then I'm just going to do like this and like this. And I'm just going to put this like this. And just glue it or iron it. And you're going to have a new envelope. I'm going to teach you again if you did not see. So let's begin again. First, you're going to do like this, straight in paper. Then you're going to fold it like this. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold it like this. And then you're going to just do a little like this. It's going to have to look like this. And then you're just going to take this side like this side like this, and cap it off. And you are done with your envelope. Over here, I'll show you. And then you're done with your envelope. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, give it a
big thumbs up. If you like it,
and subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.